Hello and welcome back to Kabamba Farms. My name is Alexander and today I'm excited to share with you the newest chapter in our journey, sheep farming. We've just added 3 ewes and a ram to our farm. Many people think you need to start big to succeed. But here at Kabamba Farms, we believe in starting small and growing steadily. As the Bible says in Zechariah 4 verse 10, do not despise this small beginning, for the Lord rejoices to see the work begin. That's a faith we are walking in today. Sheep farming may not be as popular as cattle or goats in Zambia, but it plays a very important role. Sheep provides meat, it provides milk, it provides wool and skin products that always have a market. Hotels, butcheries, and households are steadily demanding sheep meat. For us, it's also about diversification. When we combine pigs, goats, cows, and now sheep, you create multiple income streams. This is how farming becomes not just survival, but a business that sustains families. So if you're new to this channel, please, you're welcome. Let's join hands and grow together. Subscribe, share, like this video. Let's share more information to those people that are planning to start farming. As we are reminded in Psalms 23, verse 1 to 2, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pasture. Just like the good shepherd cares for us, we are called to care for animals faithfully, giving them food, shelter, and protection. This is Kabamba Farms. Stick around and let's watch this video to the end. You may learn something. And also please comment below and share your thoughts. Give us your feedback. Let's grow together. We are still growing as we are thriving in our business. We're still learning from other farmers that always gives us information to what they understand. So let's grow together. This is Kabamba Farms. At Kabamba Farms, we follow the principle of investing every penny. Instead of rushing to spend profits, we build stronger pens, buy more animals, and improve animal care. And the Bible supports this wisdom in Proverbs 27, verse 23. Be sure you know the condition of your flocks. Give careful attention to your herds. That is the foundation of farming as a business. Knowing your numbers, tracking your animals, and planning for growth. Sheep are one of the easiest animals to raise. They don't need fancy equipment. A simple shelter to keep them safe from rain and the cold nights is enough. They thrive on natural pasture and require minimal supplements. For beginners, this makes sheep a very practical choice. Even with small land, you can graze a flock successfully. And as John 10, verse 11 reminds us, I am the good shepherd. The good shepherd lays down his life for the sheep. Sheep farming teaches us responsibility, care, and sacrifice. It's not just about money, but about stewardship, being faithful over what God has given us. To succeed in sheep farming, you must take animal health seriously. Health animals mean sustainable profits. Here is what we do at Kabamba Farms. Vaccinations against PPR, anthrax, and sheep pox. Deworming regularly to prevent internal parasites. Clean housing to avoid foot rot and infections. Vet checkups for professional advice. We don't wait until the animals are sick. We believe in prevention because, as the saying goes, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. In Ezekiel 34, verse 12, God says, "As a shepherd looks after his scattered flocks when he is with them, so will I look after my sheep." This is the mindset we carry: to be vigilant, proactive, and caring over every sheep entrusted to us. Our fast growing at Kabamba Farms hasn't come from having millions of kwacha to start with. It's come from commitment and reinvestment. Farming is about showing up daily, rain or shine. It's about sacrifice, and it's about patience. We have chosen to reinvest every profit back into the farm. More animals, better feed, stronger pens. That is how we've grown from chickens to pigs, then to cows, and now sheep. And just as God entrusted Adam to care for creation, we too are entrusted with these animals. When you are faithful with little, God will give you more. To anyone watching this who has a dream of starting a farm, let me encourage you today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait until you have saved millions up. Start with what you have. We started with 3 ewes and 1 ram. That's it. And in a few years, this flock will multiply greatly. In the same way, your farm doesn't need to begin big. What you need is vision, commitment, and patience. Remember the words of Proverbs 27, verse 23 again. Know well the condition of your flocks. Give careful attention to your heads. Start small. Pay attention. Reinvest and watch God bless the work of your hands. And always hold on to Psalms 23, verse 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. If God can provide for us as his flock, he will also provide for your farming journey. Sheep farming is not just about animals. It's about opportunity, growth, and faith. At Kabamba Farms, we believe farming is a backbone of Africa's future. So I challenge you today, take that step of faith. Start small, work hard, reinvest, and trust God. He is the God and the good shepherd. And just as he never leaves his sheep, he will never leave you in your farming journey. Thank you for watching Kabamba Farms. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real farm lessons, encouragement, and opportunities. May the Lord bless the work of your hands. God bless you all.